Hey y'all, we're getting ready to go to eat at a place called the Fish Place, which is in Belmont, Mississippi. They have fried catfish. We're gonna go pick it up and we'll show you what it looks like.
$10 plate.
It's a short, pretty little drive to Belmont. Cotton fields, beautiful skies.
You can't pick.
How many minutes was it from
8
where
minutes.
we're staying?
8 minutes.
8 minutes. Oh, you got a big head, Hoss.
Dude, you better quit talking about me.
Hey, I'm here to pick up a fish order for Kat.
Was it supposed to be on?
Here you go.
All right.
Yum. Yum, yum. So we've got delicious, actually you may notice that I took a bite already. Delicious catfish, baked potato, coleslaw, onion slice, and a Diet Pepsi. So let's have a bite. Here's one last shot of my food with the potato all doctored up and the coleslaw showing. And a piece of fish missing. Okay, I'm gonna have a bite. Mr. B's cracking his open, making all kind of noise.
Yum. Yum, yum.
Oh, oops, my finger's in the way.
Yum.
That is so good. Let me see what you got. Hold on, I'm turning it around. Looks even better. I think I'll switch.
No, you will not, because you're eating yours already.
Oh, let me have you take a bite.
Nope.
Show us how good it is, Mr. B.
Nope.
How is it?
It's marvelous.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's great.
Let's eat.
I'm unpeeling my potato.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay, bye.
Bye.